Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy any laptop, then this video is going to be helpful for you. In this video, I will talk about some of the laptops that you can buy in recent times during Holi sale. So don't buy any laptop without watching this video. This is Asus VivoBook 15 Intel Core i5 12th Gen 1235U laptop that I have bought couple of months ago at a price point of 30,289 rupees using my SBI credit card. And since then, this tablet is performing really good. There is no problem whatsoever with this laptop. It comes with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. And it comes with Windows 11 Home, so you don't have to install any Windows crack version. The display is 15.6 inches Full HD display and the display color and resolution is superb considering the price point. It comes with Intel integrated graphics card and it weighs around 1.7 kg. The size of this laptop is little bit on the higher side as it comes with 15.6 inches display. If you talk about the RAM, it comes with DDR4 RAM and Intel U series 12th gen processor, and also it has fast charger that can charge up to 60% in just 59 minutes. So if you have a tight budget of 40,000 rupees, you can consider this laptop. This will suffice your need and your daily activity. But if you want to buy any other tablet, in that case you can also consider Dell Inspiron 14 5440 laptop. It has 14 inches Full HD Plus display with Intel Core i3 13th gen processor with 8 GB of DDR5 RAM and 512 GB SSD storage. The third laptop that you can buy is Acer Aspire Lite AL1553. It comes with 15.6 inches display with Intel Core i3 13th gen processor, 8 GB RAM with LPDDR4 and 512 GB SSD storage with Intel integrated GPU. The build quality, stereo speakers and feature of Acer Aspire Lite is excellent. It has some cons like it has average display, no backlighting, keyboard, mediocre battery life and no charging via Type-C port. The next tablet that you can buy is Dell Vostro 15 3530. It comes with 15.6 inches Full HD Plus display with Intel Core i3 13th gen processor with 8 GB DDR4 RAM, 512 GB SSD and Intel graphics card. Actually, Dell Vostro 15 has some good points like affordable price, comprehensive port selection, clear and crisp webcam and decent battery life. On the other hand, if you talk about the cons, it has a plasticky feel and modest display with brightness and color accuracy and no keyboard backlighting. So these are some drawbacks of Dell Vostro 15. So these are some of the laptops that you can buy during Holi sale in flipkart.com. Do let me know in the comment section below which laptop do you want to buy during Holi sale and at what price. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much.